Now that you've masked the sky, you'll key out the blue in the area that you masked. First, you'll duplicate the layer, and then apply mask modes to isolate the mask. Go to 202. Then select the close shot layer, and then choose Edit, Duplicate. After Effects adds an identical layer named Close Shot 2 to the timeline panel above the close shot layer. Select the close shot layer again, and choose Subtract from its Mask Mode menu. Select Close Shot 2, press M to display its mask properties, and choose Add from its Mask Mode menu. When you apply the Subtract Mask mode, the influence of the mask is subtracted from the masks above it in the stacking order. The Add Mask mode adds the mask to the masks above it. In this case, you're ensuring that only the sky will be selected in the Close Shot 2 layer. If you zoom in to the composition window while no layers are selected, you can see a faint line where the two layers intersect. Select the Close Shot layer. Press M twice to show all of the mask properties for the layer. Reduce the mask expansion value to -1.0 pixels. The mask expansion setting determines how far in pixels from the mask path the influence of the mask on the alpha channel extends. You've shrunk the mask on the close shot layer so that the two masks don't overlap. Hide the properties for the close shot layer. Select the Close Shot 2 layer, and then choose Effect, Keying, Keylight 1.2. The Keylight 1.2 effect options appear in the Effect Controls panel. Select the eyedropper next to Screen Color, and then sample an area of the sky near the boy's head. Most of the sky is keyed out, but if your mask overlapped any of the shadowy areas of the buildings, they're probably affected too. You'll use Screen Balance to fix that. Change Screen Balance to 0. The buildings lighten up. Screen balance determines how saturation is measured. With a balance of 1, saturation is measured against the smaller of the two components in the color. With a balance of 0, it's measured against the larger of the two. With a balance of 0.5, it's measured from the average of the two. Generally speaking, blue screens work best with a balance of around 0.95, and green screens with a balance around 0.5. But it varies depending on the colors in the image. For many clips, try setting the balance closer to 0 and then closer to 1, and see what works best. Click the Toggle Transparency Grid button in the Composition panel to see the keyed out area clearly. Expand the Screen Matte category in the Effect Controls panel. Then change the clip white value to 67. The screen matte is the matte that remains when you've keyed out other parts of the image. Sometimes parts of the matte are accidentally keyed out, and the clip white value turns the gray or transparent pixels to white or opaque. This process is very similar to adjusting levels for a layer. Anything above the clip white value is considered pure white. Likewise, the clip black value makes anything below the value completely black. Make sure Final Result is chosen in the View menu at the top of the Keylight 1.2 area in the Effect Controls panel. Hide the properties for the Close Shot 2 layer.